Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rosacea is a frustrating inflammatory skin condition that causes facial redness, pimples, bumps and swelling. While there's no cure, there are many natural ways to manage symptoms from home. Today I'll be sharing my top 10 home remedies for relieving rosacea flare-ups and irritation. These treatments help calm inflammation, repair the skin barrier, and reduce redness over time. Let's get into it. 1. Aloe vera gel. Known for its cooling and soothing properties, aloe vera gel helps reduce redness and inflammation associated with rosacea. Apply a thin layer to clean skin daily. The antibacterial components will also help fight breakouts. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Brew some strong green tea, let it cool, and apply with a cotton pad. This can help calm irritation and deliver antioxidants to repair skin damage. Apple cider vinegar. Diluted apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that can kill off bacteria linked to rosacea. Mix 1 tablespoon ACV with 1 cup water. Dip a cotton ball into the solution and apply to the face. Do this 1 to 2 times per day. Cold compresses. A cold compress constricts blood vessels to reduce facial redness and swelling quickly. Wrap an ice pack or frozen vegetable in a towel, and apply to the face for 10 to 15 minutes as needed to soothe flare-ups. Chamomile tea bags. Chamomile is incredibly soothing for irritated skin. Steep 2 to 3 tea bags in hot water for 15 minutes. Remove the tea bags and let them cool before applying to the face for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this daily. Oatmeal. Grind plain oatmeal into a powder to make a soothing mask. Mix with water or yogurt and apply to the face for 15 to 20 minutes. Oatmeal calms inflammation and irritation. Rinse and pat dry. Turmeric. Turmeric contains the antioxidant curcumin, which can help reduce redness and swelling. Make a paste with turmeric powder and water. Apply to face for 10 minutes before rinsing off. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. Green tea cream. For a soothing daily moisturizer, combine ½ cup green tea, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 2 drops tea tree essential oil. Store in the fridge and smooth on face morning and night. Cucumber slices. Cucumbers have a cooling effect that alleviates irritated skin and redness. Place cucumber slices over the eyes and affected areas of the face for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Gentle face washing. Use a very gentle, fragrance-free cleanser to wash the face 1 to 2 times per day. Avoid scrubbing. Over-cleansing can trigger rosacea flare-ups. There you have it, 10 natural home remedies to help tame the symptoms of rosacea through reducing redness, calming inflammation and repairing the skin. I hope these treatments provide relief for your face. Let me know in the comments below if you try any of these remedies and what works best for your rosacea.